Hello everyone. If you have lost access to the live chat on the YouTube, then here is how to fix it. So as you can see, I cannot see the option of the live chat. Now, if I have to simply go ahead into the settings app, followed by that, if I have to go to the channel settings, go to the feature eligibility. From here, you can see that the advanced feature has been turned on, is written eligible. But if you expand it, it's showing that you have to either upload a video verification, upload a valid ID, or you have to choose the channel history. Now you have to simply click on access. You can see that it's saying that you have to take a 6-second video of yourself. Okay, that's the first thing that's going to bring the live chat back once you submit it. The other thing is you have to take a photo of your ID that you have, and finally you have to let build YouTube a history of your channel. Now the history of the YouTube is going to take around 2 months, and after that it's going to simply show you the advanced features that includes the live chat. Now the same problem had happened inside this channel. As you can see, the live chat is now back in the background. You can see it is there. Now if I have to simply click on the channel history, or I have actually uploaded the ID here, so if I have to simply click on the Google account, so here you can see that I have already uploaded the ID, and fortunately the YouTube has verified the ID verification. If you want to delete it, you can just simply delete that. After that, everything will be back to normal. You have to keep in mind that it is going to enable the advanced features, including the live stream, the live chat, and the eligibility for the monetization. This is required. I hope this video is helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.